Hello, and thank you for being with me on Efficiency and Organization's YouTube channel. Now, today's video is on to be able to save time, money, and have less stress when it comes to preparing meals for yourself or for your family during the week. One of the things that I found was it was taking me so much time each week to figure out what I was going to make when I got home. And oftentimes, because I wasn't sure after work what I was going to make, I would end up stopping at a fast food place and get food, which was not good for health reasons, for stress reasons. It just was not right, even for financial reasons. So one strategy I came up with that's far more efficient for me is meals that I typically make. Okay, so I have an article. This is on efficiencyandorganization.com. It's under books and publications. It is right here, 90 meals or 90 meal ideas for 90 days. And when you click on it, it'll look like this. One thing I did was I put together on an Excel file the meals that I typically make for my family. So I want to show you something. If you don't want to do this on your own, if on Efficiency and Organization, you go under products, you are going to see I have 90 meals for 90 days right here. Okay, you can download, it's an Excel sheet or a PDF. Either way it works. I like the Excel file. And it looks like this. Here's the reason why I use the Excel file. You see all the ones that I have highlighted? Those are the foods I have already made. So this is like 90 meals, right? So every time I make one, like for example, salmon and mashed potatoes, I made it, therefore it is highlighted. Shrimp, soup, and garlic bread, made it, therefore I highlight it. So I am gonna make sausage rigatoni this week. Once I make it, next weekend, I'll go ahead and highlight it. I just basically come here and then I click on this and it works. That way there's like, it's not too repetitive. You know, I already know I made that and it just adds variety to our meal plan. Now, what I like here is some of the things like vegetable lentil soup, I know how to make, but let's say somebody does not know how to make that. It's okay. If you click on the link on the name itself, it'll open up to a recipe that you can use to follow and make it by yourself. So that's one of the things. The PDF file will also have that, but I like the Excel because I could go and highlight each item. So again, this is found on efficiencyandorganization.com under products. You'll find it, and the article itself that I wrote on how you can come up with this yourself is available, of course, on the website, and I'll have the link for you in the description box. The last thing I want to mention is when I have my week's plan, I write them here. So the foods that I select to make, I write them here. And this is also actually available on efficiencyandorganization.com under products. So if I go under products, it is going to be here somewhere. And you'll see it when you click, you'll see all the other ones, the products that are available. And they're all downloadable, and that one is right here. So you can download it and use it over and over and over again. So once you have that, you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you'll know what ingredients you need, and you can put them on a grocery list. When you go shopping, you only stick to those foods and nothing else, because that's how you're going to prevent wasting food, buying foods that you don't necessarily need that week. So this can also be downloaded and used, whatever is going to take for you to be more organized in your life when it comes to cooking, so you could be less stressed, save money, and save time. I appreciate you being with me, and I will catch you in the next video, but please be sure to subscribe so that way you could be notified when I have upcoming videos. Thank you for being with me.